Hey Tech Adventurers! Today we're taking a dive into the world of displays. We're talking liquid crystal displays or LCDs, the same one that give life to your calculators, microwaves, and yes, even your retro Game Boys. Alright, so what's an LCD? Picture this. It's a display made of tiny liquid crystals that twist to create different shapes when an electric circuit flows through. Super fancy, right? And in our code, we're going to make those little crystals display anything we want. Let's jump into the code. First, here's the first line. Hash include liquid crystal I2CH. This line says, hey Arduino, grab that LCD library we installed to make talking to this display way easier. Just like how you would call your best friend to figure out Friday night plans, right? We call the library to help us communicate with the LCD. Up next, we're defining our LCD's unique address. Now let's see these three lines. Hash define liquid address OX27, hash define liquid column 16, hash define liquid row 2. It's like setting up coordinates on a map. LCD address is the unique address of the LCD on the I2C bus. LCD column and LCD rows set up the LCD size. In this case, we're using 16 column by 2 row display, a perfect size for some text magic. Now, let's create our LCD object, liquid crystal I2C